So when I moved the tiny house to where it is now, it was a bit of a chaotic day and I forgot to take this thing off before driving away, and it ripped the whole cable off. So I'm going to fix that. It's actually pretty easy. Says it all there, and I'll show you how you do that.
You want to make sure that you put these things on the cable before you start wiring it up. This was actually my second attempt because I forgot to do that the first time and I had to completely undo it and do it again. It's important because you need it to screw the lid back on to close it up. Then you just prepare the ends by cutting off the plastic and twisting the copper.
This stuff will cut your fingers if you're doing it all day like I am. And if you have wee sensitive hands like me.
And now you insert the cable into the corresponding port and screw it in to fix it there. The ports all say what they are, so you need to put the right cable in the right place.
Cool. Really making things difficult for me there, Mod. Cool. That's done. How good. So if you have a similar situation to me and you've ripped off the thing of one of these, really important that you know what each cable does. And as you can see there, I've got like a question mark and I didn't really quite understand. So yeah, I'm going to have to test it. Trial and error is the other way to do it, but the more you know, the easier that's going to be. I'm pretty sure I've got it right, pretty confident. So yeah, that's how you do it. And thanks for watching.